Namaste, my divine family. So, today I have come up with a reading for all of you where you need to think of the matter which is going in your mind. Anything it could be, and it's a timeless reading. You need to choose one of these four. Okay, and you can choose more than one also, you can choose two also. So, if you choose one, this is the first pile, second pile, third pile, and fourth pile. And let's see what is the divine message for the matter which is in your mind. Okay, let's start with the pile one. First, I will start with the tarot cards. Let's see for the pile one, divine, guide me. What is the message for them? For the matter which they have in mind, whatever is the matter, let's see the message for them. Okay, first we got this Hierophant, second we got Five of Swords, and third cards we have is Six of Coins. And yes, in end of the deck I have for you Devil. Okay, so the message as per tarot says you need to look within you. Okay, if you will look within you, I'll just adjust the camera a bit so that cards are visible for you. Here the cards are. So the Hierophant, Five of Swords, and Six of Coins, and end of the deck I have Devil. So the matter, whichever you're looking for, the matter is troubling you. Have been doing lot of research, lot of conflicts are still happening in your life. But still, the things are not getting resolved. You are getting hopeful, and you need to leave that obsession behavior. If you're getting obsessed about it, so I was mentioning this. So their messages for you is here is that you need to, if you look very clearly in your mind and thought, you know that these things have been bothering you, have been doing a lot of inner work. After doing the inner work, you know that the path is very, very near to you, know the solution. But unnecessary worry, fears of something which is not true are bothering you, are actually conflicting you. And this is where you need to go deep within. You need to let go of all that fears which are unnecessary fears for you. Let's see what is the message for this particular cards, oracle cards for you. Okay, wow, we have Archangel Zetkiel, and what else? We have Kalima. See the fears, and here be fears, and here so much in front of you can see fears and obsession. Kalima is telling major spiritual changes are coming, and definitely even one of the part of facing your fear is that always the facing your challenges. So there Kalima spiritual is telling you that you need to unlock so that you can soar. You can unlock your inner negativity thought, everything is which is fearing you, all that everything you have to face, and then you will soar. And transformation, obviously once you face your fear, transformation is definitely around. This all cards brings your transformations, specifically when you let go of those obsessive thoughts of failure, obsessive thoughts of conflict. So let go of that. You're doing inner work which is definitely helping you. So Kalima is with you, Archangel Zetkiel is also with you if you believe in archangels. Otherwise, we know in Hindi we also have Devdut, so they are same. So Zetkiel is here to support you. You can always say to Archangel Zetkiel that thank you Zetkiel for supporting me to transform from my past challenges. Okay, this is such a beautiful reading. If you like this energy and you want to claim this energy, please do not forget to click like button and leave a comment. I claim this energy. Thank you so much for listening to me. Let's move to pile number 2 now. So pile number 2, if you have chosen this beautiful crystal bracelet with the turquoise and sunstone, let's see what is the message for you first from the tarot cards. Let's see what tarot cards you need to, whatever topic thought about, let's see what is bringing for you, what is the energy and message there for you. Okay. Okay, so first card we have, wow, Three of Cups. Okay, second we have the Magician. Wow. King of Cups. And then end of the deck we have Four of Coins. So definitely their energy is quite, I can see lot of emotional energy, watery energy with manifestation. You are definitely manifesting something related to someone in your life or emotions. If this is something you are, it is definitely stable. It's getting stable energy. You're very, very stable here. There you're manifesting very nicely. Keep your emotions stable, keep your energy stable. Okay, so I was mentioning here, so the message basically here for you is to keep your emotions very steady. Learn through your emotions. If it is getting overwhelmed, also the manifestation which is becoming to come to is also telling you to control your emotions, balance your energies, don't flow or get overwhelmed through it, and also stay in a very, you can say, grounded manner. Stay grounded, so that stability, the more you are connected to your root or the stable energy or the earth energy, the more your manifestation, whatever you're manifesting, whatever questions you have, it will help you in becoming much faster, getting truer much faster. Your manifestation or your answers or whatever situation you are into, that will be manifest for you much faster positively. Let's see what is the message from this oracle cards. So oracle cards. Okay. So I have Sasi. Wow. Signs from heaven. It's, and then we have green tarama. You know, green tarama. Excellent. It's again another roop of another incarnation of Mahakalima. Here Ma is telling supreme protection. You are protected. What else? Right? You can see here manifestation also. Your friends are also your protection. The people in your life, the relationships are also your protections. Okay. So it says you are protected and cords are being cut. Whatever old thing which you are not helping you, which you are not, yeah, you can say that those things which you are not doing the work for you, which were not meant for you, have been removed, and now you can move beyond limitation. But trust. So trust divine. You can say thanks to green tarama. You can also chant her mantra Om Tare Tu Re Soha. It's a beautiful mantra. She is really, really very protective. And then your sign from heaven. You can say this to masses that, see, heaven is definitely working for you. You can see there is a word, right? There's an message also. If you manifest something, if you really want it from the heart, then heaven starts working for you. This is, they are really working. You can say this to the divine. Gratitude is must for you. You can say thank you, play that gratitude card. Feel the gratitude in your heart. Whatever you are manifesting, make it a ritual, that your gratitude is making it more powerful, your manifestation muscles. You can say thank you heaven, thank you divine for sending me reminders of your presence. Such a beautiful reading. If you like this reading, to claim this energy, please like and subscribe to this channel, and also leave a comment, I claim this energy. Thank you for listening to me. Let's move to pile number 3. So what is the message for pile number 3? So what is the message from divine for pile number 3? So what is the message from divine for the whatever matter they have in their mind from pile number 3? Pile number 3, what is the message for the people who is pile number 3 they are watching with them? Okay, I think angels are definitely talking because I am hearing something. Let's see. What is the message? Oh, wow. You have the good luck already in the picture. Wow. Yeah, divine protection is there. I can see fiery energy is also there, but unnecessary worries are also there in your mind. So these unnecessary conflicts and worry, which is like an element, you need to work on this. You need to think why I'm so worried. Though this was everything which had happened with you in the past. This all happened because it was supposed to happen. It was meant to happen. But in the future, if I see, yeah, things are getting better, karmic releases are happening, something is going to be released. You're feeling burdened, you're doing a lot of intuitive work also, or you can say the work of healing also. You could be also doing healing or reading, star readings, etc. for you, or maybe astrological reading for you. But it is bringing you something very nice, balancing. Okay, but only thing which can block your manifestation is all about your unnecessary worry. So the only worry I see, you are actually in very much, as I mentioned, you are in rituals, some kind of intuitive work, and you are into full mode of manifesting your good things. Even time is with you. The only block is that you are trying to know something beyond, or something you are trying to know what could be the block. These things you have to let go. Okay, because if you don't let go, worry is no use for anyone, right? But worry doesn't bring anything to us. However, you're going on the right path. You feel burdened earlier, but now you're habitual to it. You have done a lot of inner work. You are doing rituals. Whatever you have done is paying for you. Okay, let's see what is the message for this pile number 3. If you have chosen this beautiful crystal from oracles. Okay, let's see the message. Okay, wow, see, message also says focus on your mind. So focus on your mind. It says thank you angels for helping me to focus on my priorities. So it is a direct message that instead of, see here also already focusing, only thing you have to release the fears. Okay, release the fear. And there's a Radham. I think definitely this pile is into choosing something related to soul partner, soulmate, or twin flame journey. Here, Ma says that rediscover a lost part of yourself. That experience relationship harmony and healing. You need to heal. As I was mentioning, you are into this healing process. Might be tarot, astrology are also healing, or if not, then heal yourself. Okay, by focusing on your mind and also letting go of the negative thoughts, you are in alignment, and Radhama is there with you. So An's message for you is that you need to know what I have lost myself into in this entire process. If you have lost yourself, think that where am I standing, why it is happening all these things with me, you need to focus, start meditating, and you can definitely surrender to Radhama if you believe in her. Okay, then you can ask her to help. She's very benevolent. Whenever you will ask any help, she is very, very, very soft and generous, and you can say compassionate goddess, divine being who can, goddess obviously she is a lot, we know all that. Radha means love, the most love, not only the kind of the love which you are looking, but she's known for blessing the lovers. Okay, so you can ask, and I can see this pile definitely, if it is not a love also, whatever you are manifesting, definitely she is telling you to let go of the past thing and rediscover yourself, experience relationship, whatever relationship you are having with you or with others, in career, in family, whatever is the question on your mind, to experience that with harmony and healing. Understand where I'm spending my energy in unnecessary worries. However, otherwise, whatever work you have done till date, it is going very smooth for you. So if you like this particular reading, you like this energy of this pile number 3, please like this channel, subscribe the channel, like the video, and leave a comment there that I claim the energy. Thank you. Okay, let's move to pile number 4. So for the, what is the message for pile number 4, divine? What is the message for pile number 4? What is the message for pile number 4, divine? What is the message for pile number 4? Or the question which is on their mind. Okay, wow. So we have Ten of Cups, we have Queen of Wands, and we have Sun. Wow, again, very nice and positive energy, and High Priestess repeat itself. So pile 4, if you're attracting to pile number 3, you could also check that. Okay, here the message is very beautiful about the, I can see the energy of the, definitely sea or the water energy. I can see the energy of the fire, and the energy of definitely the realm of spiritual realm. Okay, the sun energy, the energy of the manifestation, energy of the new beginnings. So whatever you are thinking is a very, very positive message. You are going in the right way with emotional balancing, and if it's a career related message, is there something you've thought of career, it's definitely helping you a lot. So in this case, only thing which you have to do is that you need to work with your intuition, and what you can need to also focus on some rituals. If you're doing, believe in this ritual, consistently keep on going with that ritual. Do not underestimate the power of ritual, because this is what you are happening, it will help your manifestation very swiftly. Heal yourself with these energies also. Okay, further, the message here for you specifically is that you are found new energies, like you are metamorphosis. There's a transformation happened. You new things are coming in, and new blessings are on your way. And also for you, it is also a message for you that spread the inspiration, spread that knowledge, spread the newfound you, the learnings of you to the others who are seeking. Okay, not forced, but who are seeking for it, because you have the message. And keep, feel that energy, heal yourself, and believe me, if it's for your career, definitely there's a growth. And if it's for your family life or if marriage, definitely I can see it's a very positive message. And let's see what is the message for miracle from this beautiful jade and green avenger mixed crystal. Okay, so message is, wow, synchronicity. So synchronicity, you can say thank you angel, I trust your well-timed guidance and sign. So if you believe in angels, or you believe in whatever divine are like divine energies around you. We always have divine energies, form of our angels, our ancestors, divine beings, whoever you believe in. I believe in angels because I love them and they love me back. So angels, you need to say this. If you say to synchronicity, you will be seeing, you'll be also seeing the numbers like where the angelic number 1111 or 222 or like 333 or those kind of number which are synchronized in number, or maybe mirror number like 1122 1133, like that. They are telling you something. Read between those lines and being grateful for this synchronicity. Now Mahavatar Babaji, wow, so you can see soul work is that all. You are healing, you found in soul work. You have to do some kind of soul work and keep on going. Mahavatar Babaji also telling you that your consciousness is expanding and you understand the connection between all things. And this is what exactly here this card also said, that you are metamorphosis is happening in your life. Like after, when the things were gone way wrong, you have come to and that all that and coming to the new light in your career and life, and connections are very fruitful. You'll find the people who will be very kind to you, good for you. So this is the energy of these cards. This is the message for you. And work on your intuition, meditation, and let go of anything which is blocking you. Read the synchronicity, be grateful for everything, and keep doing your spiritual work, because this is definitely Mahavatar Babaji's blessing is there on this. If you like this reading and this energy resonate with you, please like this message, please like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and leave a comment that you claim the energy. Okay, thank you for listening to me. Take care, stay blessed, bye bye.